sensor clap.
Lux will get it going, and then it'll probably be back here.
All right, so we are taking a ride up to my buddy Jackie's shop, King's Automotive in Bloomingdale, New Jersey. He has this E92 that's been sitting on his lot for 3 years, and I am itching to get back and build another cool track car kind of thing. So we're gonna be taking on a cool project. We're gonna be doing a total build series on you guys. This car's been sitting outside. You're gonna see the condition when we get it. It's a little rough. It's been sitting under a tree. It needs love. It's gotta be brought back to life. So we're gonna be doing a multi-part build series. We're gonna show you guys today picking up the car, how it looks as it is, what Jackie did to get it ready to drive safely, and take it back to the shop, throw a quick little detail on it, see what our starting point is, and from there we'll see the progression of the build. We'll take you guys along for a step along the way, really showcase all the services we offer at Lux, and that's it guys, stay tuned.
So why E92?
So I had an F82 M4, I loved it, ended up getting rid of it just because I got an itch for something else. I got an E63S after that. It was nothing but nightmares. I will never buy a Mercedes ever again. Always choose the M car. Lesson learned. Anyways, kind of fell out of the love with the car scene after that. It was just nothing but headaches with that car. I just wanted to take a break, stop, dumping money into cars and just wasting my time with it. So, it's been a little over a year, not having anything fun, and I just got the itch again. I want to get back into going to the track and just, cruising with the boys, everything like that. So, figured, had the F82. I hate the G8X platform. I think it's just, it's fast, it's awesome, but it just doesn't excite me. And I always heard good things about E9X and, high revving V8, hydraulic steering. It's not really lightweight.
So Joe, why am I next to the fishing poles in this truck?
Well, because I have a sick problem and I had to go fishing this morning. Guys, it's the fall striped bass run. It's the best time to be a fisherman in Jersey, so weather looked good. Had to squeeze it in before picking the car up. So, yeah. If you've been in my truck before, you know this is a common sight. But we make it work. We make it work. See that carbon fiber? Oh yeah. Carbon fiber everything. Thank you.
Guys, Joe got a spinach feta wrap. Because why?
Protein.
And now they're all the bottle away, it's Californication.
All right guys, so we just got to Jackie's shop. We did a little test drive. Car looks good. Had to button up a couple of little things. Here's the car. Do a quick little walk around. Not in the best condition aesthetically, but mechanically it's perfect. It's got a bunch of schmegma all over it, but that's easy to get off. We'll make it look brand new tomorrow.
You gotta get that Lux touch.
Yeah, get a little Lux touch. And Jackie's gonna tell us what he did on the car. And now he's got to prep for it.
All right, so on this car we did the NRW valve covers. They're aluminum as opposed to the OEM magnesium ones that tend to get porous and start leaking. We did throttle actuators on it, rod bearings, spark plug, I forget, but basically we did a ton of stuff to it, trying to get it road ready. Now it's got to get back to Lux, get them to detail it, clean it, make it all good to go. Probably needs tires and some other stuff, but hopefully.
The tires aren't the biggest thing, come on.
Yeah, I think Lux will get it going, and then it'll probably be back here for some other things, but excited to see the revival of this car. So came from a good friend of mine, kind of just been sitting. I had bought it, and basically I was gonna drive it around, basically ended up never driving it, just kind of sat, and I was never really pressed to sell it, but Joe wanted a fun little car to get back into, so trying to get him going.
And he's got the perfect car.
Tell him the truth. He didn't drive it because he has a 992 GT3.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Yeah, so we're super excited. Thank you to Jackie as always. We trust him with all of our cars. This guy is top notch. I mean, if you look at everything in the lot, always has sick cars. So if you have any type of car, especially BMW, make sure you take it to him and follow along, see what this, I don't even know what you want to call it, turns into in the end.
Schmegmobile.
The Schmegmobile.
I got it. Alright, this is the first time this car's been driven in 3 years. Brakes are suspicious. If the brakes weren't so suspicious, I'd be going a little harder, but... Yeah, that shit sounds sick.
I seriously wonder if it shoots flames.
Yeah. Got a shitload key bumps, bro, for not having Harman Kardon. All right, so we're finally back to the shop. 2 hours later, after hitting some traffic, here we have it in the shop lighting. It's pretty cooked, definitely cooked. Gonna throw a quick wash on it, get a better idea of what our baseline is, and we'll start moving forward with some upgrades, guys. Stay tuned. Fat rock chip. Bye, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Oleg. He's laughing at you. Go ahead. Look at that. Is that carbon fiber?
Yes, sir. That is nasty. Holy crap, is the camera picking that up?
Yeah, bro, look at that.
Oh, it's fucking flame. Right?
Bro, I was so surprised when I saw it right behind it.
I know, it's like, whoa.
Yo.
What are you doing?
Yo, these seats are clapped, and Joe got new seats, so we're gonna swap them today. So here we have Joe's clapped seat, number 1.
Big pet peeve.
Go ahead.
Big pet peeve. when the steering wheel gets all schmegmified. So I'm gonna clean it the right way, get that shit off, make it look brand new. This is just day one, you know, quick little stuff. Phase 2 of the deep clean. Yesterday we came, got most of it off. Today we finished polishing up the headlights, did a little extra work. Now we're going to put some final touches on it. We're going to polish it up, see how it looks, and that's it. Phase 1 will be complete.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how rough does it feel right now that you're trying it?
Honestly, it's not that bad, surprisingly. Maybe like a 6 or a 7. All right, now we're going to polish her up. All right, so speed polish on it. We're not looking for perfection here because we know we're going to do color change PPF. Just wanted to get rid of some of that haziness, add some gloss black to the paint. Gloss back, not gloss black. But dude, look at this. It's night and day. It's night and day. We sanded and polished the headlights. It actually brought them back to life, so I could buy myself some more time before replacing the lenses and come take a look. I mean, this thing cleaned up really nice, honestly. We're definitely gonna have to, we're gonna order a Euro bumper. We're gonna get it resprayed because we got some clear coat failure. Fender's gotta get fixed. I mean, overall though, I think this thing cleaned up amazing compared to how it was yesterday. Polished the carbon fiber roof. It looks a lot better. We added some gloss back to it. And that's it. I mean, clean Alpine white E92. I'm super happy. Even at this point, it looks really good. The next stage is we get some carbon fiber aero on the way. Then we're gonna pick a color for color change PPF. After that, the fun stuff will begin. We'll start doing some track prep. We'll do some coilovers. We'll do some monoball suspension bushings. And we'll see what else we can do. Maybe a rear seat delete, roll cage, stuff like that. But stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun little project.